Okay, so we've got a stem and leaf. Each of school sponsored swim to raise money for charity. 20 students, always usually tells you how many people there are. Enter the swim. This is the number of lengths each completed. So complete the stem and leaf. So we've got 20s. So let's just see if we can find the 20s. We've got a 25 there, we've got a 21 there, and we've got a 28 there. So let's put a 1, a 5, and an 8 in there, and then we can cross them off. Now we're going into 30s, so I've got 34, 32, 38, 36, 34 again. So we've got the smallest, which is 32. Then we've got two 34s. Make sure your numbers line up. So two 34s. Then we've got a 36, and then we've got a 38. On to 40s. So we've got 41. Oh, I missed out 40 there, so I've got 40, then 41. Then we've got a 42, which I missed out circling there, so 42. Then we've got a 43. Then we've got a 45. And we've got another 45 there, so I've missed out another one. And then we've got a 48. 50s, I've got 52, 53, 57. So 2, 3, and 7 in there. And then we've got a 60 and a 62. So we've done that then. And normally they won't give you a key and they'd expect to write one down. Now the median number of lengths, if I've got 20, then if I add 1 and half it, 20 numbers, that tells me where my median will be, and it's then telling me that it's between the 10th and the 11th number. So if I count the numbers along, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's between 41 and 42. So then my median will be 41.5. I don't look like a 5, so I'll just correct it. 41.5. And what fraction of the group completed fewer than 40 lengths? So fewer than 40 is this fraction in here. So there are 8 people there. So we've got 8 out of 20. And that says leave your answer in its simplest form, so half it. 4 over 10, half it again, 2/5. So 2/5 is the answer that you're looking for there. Question 21. So we've got a quadratic one, basically it means it's got an x squared in it. And we need to put -2 into this. So where you see an x, you put a -2. So it's -2 squared first because it's x squared. -2 times -2 is 4. Then we've got the 4x bit. So 4 times -2 gives you -8. And then we've got a +2 at the end. So we've got 4, -8, and 2. If we add them together, let's add the 4 and the 2 together, it gives us 6. And then 6 take away 8 gives you -2. Now from there, this is I want you to draw the graph. So we've got -5, 7. We've got -4, 2. We've got 3, -1. We've got -2, -2. We've got -1, -1. We've got 0, 2. And then we've got 1, 7. And then you draw a curve. So as smooth as you can, don't sketch it. Curve through there. And I've just removed that little dotted line that I've got at the bottom there. So that wouldn't be in place. It's a single line, smooth. And use your graph to solve the value of the exact same equation, but it's equal to 0. So it's just at the points where it crosses the x-axis. So you go for minus, for me, I'd say -3.4, and this one is about -0.5. You're able to, just to write down here, you can go from -3.3 to -3.5. So that's the acceptable regions. And also on the top, it's from -0.5 to -0.7.